If you've ever opened Forex Factory's economic calendar and felt overwhelmed by red, orange, and yellow icons, this video is for you. Those colors tell you how much a news event is expected to move the market. A red folder means high impact. These are the big ones like interest rate decisions, non-farm payrolls, or CPI inflation data. These can cause massive, fast price swings. Orange means medium impact, still worth watching, but usually less explosive. Yellow is low impact. Most traders can safely ignore these unless they specifically trade that data. Now, for each event, you see three numbers: actual, forecast, and previous. Previous is what the number was last time. Forecast is what economists expected this time. Actual is what really happened. Here's the key skill: compare actual to forecast, not just to previous. If a country's interest rate comes in higher than forecast, that's usually bullish for that currency. Higher rates tend to attract foreign investment. If CPI inflation comes in lower than forecast, that often weakens the currency because it suggests the central bank has less reason to raise rates. The bigger the surprise, the gap between actual and forecast, the bigger the market reaction tends to be. A number that matches the forecast exactly usually causes barely a ripple. So before any high impact red event, check what's forecast, and after it releases, compare it to the actual number. That single habit will help you understand why the market suddenly moved.